Hey, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a deep dive into one of the most iconic trucks on the market, the 2026 Ram 1500 HEMI V8. If you're a truck enthusiast or someone in the market for a powerful, rugged, yet surprisingly refined vehicle, you're in the right place. We'll be breaking down the exterior, interior, powertrain, safety features, and much more. Let's get started. Exterior features. The Ram 1500 HEMI V8 is a truck that commands attention. From its muscular body to its bold styling, this vehicle is designed to be as tough as it looks. Body panels. The body panels of the 2026 Ram 1500 are crafted from high-strength steel, making the truck incredibly durable while maintaining a solid, premium feel. Ram's use of aluminum for the tailgate and hood reduces weight without compromising strength, which helps with fuel efficiency and towing capability. The truck's proportions are well balanced, giving it an imposing stance that is also functional, with aerodynamics designed to minimize drag and improve fuel efficiency. Headlights. The headlights on the Ram 1500 HEMI V8 are absolutely stunning. Featuring signature LED lighting with automatic leveling, these headlights provide excellent illumination on dark roads. The LED projector lamps are incredibly bright, offering a clear view of the road ahead without blinding other drivers. With a bold design that incorporates Ram's signature Ram badge in the center, these headlights give the truck an aggressive yet refined look, and they're fully adjustable for optimum visibility under various driving conditions. Taillights. The taillights of the Ram 1500 follow the bold theme, with sleek LED strips that give the truck a modern, high-tech look. The light output is not only stunning but also extremely functional. The LED design ensures that the truck is visible from a distance, adding to safety. These taillights are designed to last longer and consume less energy compared to traditional bulbs, making them both stylish and efficient. Plus, they complement the aggressive front-end styling, rounding out the truck's tough exterior. Grille. The grille is one of the standout features on the Ram 1500 HEMI V8. With its wide, imposing design and signature Ram logo front and center, this grille offers a commanding presence on the road. The grille's chrome or blacked-out finish, depending on the trim, adds an extra layer of refinement. Not just for looks, this grille allows for improved airflow into the engine, keeping things cool even when you're pushing the truck to its limits. It's a perfect balance of style and function. Interior comfort and convenience. The Ram 1500 HEMI V8 may be a rugged workhorse, but step inside, and you'll be surprised by the level of luxury and convenience. Seats. Inside the Ram 1500, the seats are designed for both comfort and support. Whether you're heading out on a long road trip or navigating a tough workday, the seats are ergonomically crafted to keep you comfortable. The leather upholstery in higher trims is soft yet durable, and the seats offer excellent lumbar support. With multi-way power adjustable settings and heated and ventilated options, the seating in the Ram 1500 makes every drive a pleasure, no matter the weather. Dashboard. The dashboard of the 2026 Ram 1500 is both functional and stylish, featuring a clean layout with user-friendly controls. The materials are premium, with soft touch surfaces and high-end finishes. The digital cluster provides all the information you need at a glance, while the 12-inch touchscreen is at the center, giving you easy access to media, climate control, and other essential functions. Ram's attention to detail is evident here, with a layout that balances simplicity with cutting-edge technology. Infotainment system. The 12-inch Uconnect touchscreen infotainment system in the Ram 1500 is one of the best in the business. It features sharp graphics, fast response times, and an intuitive interface that makes it easy to control everything from navigation to audio to truck-specific settings. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, allowing seamless smartphone integration, and the system can be paired with an optional Harman Kardon sound system for incredible audio quality. Whether you're listening to music or using the truck's advanced navigation, the infotainment system enhances every journey. Steering wheel. The steering wheel in the Ram 1500 is thick and comfortable, wrapped in leather for that premium feel. It features easy-to-reach controls for media, cruise control, and hands-free calling, so you can keep your focus on the road. On higher trims, the steering wheel is heated, adding comfort on those chilly mornings. The wheel also offers a great tactile feel, with the perfect balance of responsiveness and comfort, making it ideal for both highway driving and more rugged terrains. Powertrain components. The powertrain is where the 2026 Ram 1500 HEMI V8 truly shines, and that legendary HEMI V8 engine is ready to perform. Engine. At the heart of the Ram 1500 HEMI V8 is a 5.7-liter HEMI V8 engine that produces 395 horsepower and 410 pounds-feet of torque. This engine is designed to provide plenty of power for towing and hauling while also delivering impressive acceleration and responsiveness. The HEMI V8 is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, offering smooth and quick shifts. Whether you're towing a boat, hauling a load, or just enjoying a spirited drive, the HEMI V8 ensures that the 1500 delivers power and performance with ease. Hybrid option. If you're looking for better fuel efficiency without sacrificing performance, Ram offers a mild hybrid option for the 2026 Ram 1500. The e-torque system adds an electric motor to the V8 engine, boosting efficiency and providing a little extra torque during acceleration. The hybrid system improves fuel economy, especially in stop-and-go traffic, while also enhancing overall performance. It's the perfect option for those who want the power of a HEMI with a little extra efficiency. Safety and driver assistance. When it comes to safety, the 2026 Ram 1500 is loaded with features designed to protect both you and your passengers. Airbags. The Ram 1500 is equipped with a full suite of airbags to protect occupants in the event of a collision. This includes front, side, and curtain airbags, as well as knee airbags for the driver and front passenger. Combined with the strong steel frame and crumple zones, these airbags help mitigate the impact of an accident and reduce the risk of injury. Parking assist. Parking a truck like the Ram 1500 can be a challenge, but the available parking assist system makes it a breeze. Using sensors and cameras, the system provides real-time feedback, guiding you into tight spaces with ease. It can even take control of the steering wheel to park the truck for you in certain situations. This feature makes parking in crowded areas or tight spots a lot less stressful. Pricing. Now, let's talk about the price. The 2026 Ram 1500 HEMI V8 starts at around $42,000 for the base model. Prices can go up to around $55,000 or more depending on the trim level and additional options you choose. Considering the power, features, and luxury this truck offers, it's a great value in the full-size truck segment. Ending note. And that's a wrap on our review of the 2026 Ram 1500 HEMI V8. This truck combines legendary performance with modern technology and luxury, making it a perfect choice for anyone who needs a tough, capable vehicle without sacrificing comfort,